being able to show up at that place at the one time you know it's going to be okay and you'll get through it. Go get it. See, I'm not perfect either. I sneeze and I hate sneezing. I hate it. If I could, I would never sneeze. I hate sneezing. Hi, Tyler Culbertson. What up?
I don't wear like tight shirts because you can see I sweat a lot too. But just in the
Yay,
pigs.
sweat buddies.
Excuse me, I'm allergic to pigs. Gosh, you.
Can you imagine?
And when was the last time you kissed someone? October.
Video of a camel grabbing a guy by the head. It's actually on YouTube. The camel grabs the guy by the head, lifts him up off the ground, and throws them. So it just shows you how strong they are. Bless you.
Thank you.
But what people don't realize is in that video, the reason that camel is so
30 pounds is not honest. No. He's on quarterback. That is correct. Whoa. Not officially.
3 days? 3 days? 2 days. I manage to sneeze most every time I'm filming.